In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S20 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Password Manager. First, launch Settings and scroll to hit Google section available here. Now click on All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google. Choose Google Password Manager. And to add a password manually, hit Add Password at the top and input all of those informations. Here you can type in any website, or tap on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after a few seconds, my password was successfully added. If you don't have Add Password option, don't worry, that only means you never added one and you need at least one to add them manually. All you need to do to fix it is hitting Settings at the bottom right corner and enabling Offer to Save Passwords. After doing that, log in into any website or any app and hit Save in the pop-up that will allow you to save your first password. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!